Greenlum Growth is a smart, intuitive, and highly reliable mobile application, thoughtfully designed to empower field executives in managing their day-to-day activities with ease and efficiency. It serves as a digital assistant that helps professionals on the move streamline their daily operations by automatically tracking check-in locations, monitoring travel routes, and logging every step of their journey, all in real time. With built-in GPS-based location tracking, Greenlum eliminates the traditional hassles of manual reporting. Executives no longer need to remember their routes or enter data manually. The app intelligently captures travel data throughout the day, automatically calculating the total distance covered and converting it into accurate conveyance claims. This ensures every reimbursement is both transparent and error-free, saving time for the field staff and simplifying approval for the management. One of Greenlum's most valuable features is its ability to operate quietly and continuously in the background. Once activated, it continues to track movements without the need for repeated user interaction, even when the device is locked or the app is minimized. This uninterrupted background tracking ensures that not a single detail is missed, and every kilometer is accounted for, providing complete transparency and trust. The app isn't just about tracking, it's about building a smarter, more productive workflow. Managers gain access to meaningful data that helps optimize field operations, reduce discrepancies in claims, and enhance accountability. Executives, in turn, benefit from automated records, reduced paperwork, and peace of mind knowing that their travel is being monitored accurately and fairly. Whether you're traveling between client meetings, visiting remote sites, or managing multiple locations in a day, Greenlum is your trusted companion, ensuring every step is recorded, every claim is valid, and every workday is one step closer to smarter field management. Greenlum isn't just a tool. It's a digital transformation for field operations, simplifying processes, boosting productivity, and bridging the gap between the field and the office like never before.